What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got a beautiful sunny day here. It's freezing cold, 26 degrees, but it's sunny, so we're gonna take the positivity that we can, right? So got a few things to go over. I'm gonna break them up into separate videos just so you're not watching a 20-minute long video, because I know nobody really likes to do that. But first order of business, yesterday or 2 days ago, got installed, helped my buddy do it at the shop, a PSC steering box. So a lot less play in my steering. Now it's still a lifted truck, well, 3-inch level. It's still lifted, so you're gonna have a little bit of play, and it's an older vehicle. There's other parts that come into play with that, so it's never gonna be like a sports car, and I don't expect it to be, but it's so much better than it was. I'll try and find a video clip of me driving with the steering wheel wandering everywhere. I won't be commenting on it, but right now it is so much better. So let's get driving down the road a little bit, and I'll show you how much tighter it is. Getting a new steering box today, finally. This one has seen better days. From here to here is what used to just not do anything. That little turn is actually turning the truck. I don't know if you can tell that, but that used to just be play in the wheel. Now the only play that I have is like right here now. So much tighter, so much better. Now guys, I know pretty much all of us in the Dodges, 3rd gen specifically for my application, but over time the gearboxes get more play in them, and when you lift them it gets even more exaggerated, and it gets to a point where it's unsafe to drive. If you have other loose front end parts and you get into the death wobble, then it's harder to control because the steering's got a lot of play in it, so it really can be dangerous. And I waited way too long to fix this, but it's finally done. It's like a brand new truck to drive, honestly. It's so much easier to go down the road hauling a trailer. It's so much better. So I would really recommend this. Now, I didn't do a ton of research, but from what I saw, like Redhead steering boxes, which is the most popular and best bang for your buck, everybody has had good luck with, are on, like, it said exponential or indefinite back order, meaning they're not making any more or something. I don't know. So I went with a PSC steering box. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's a lot bigger of a box. It's upgraded with all the same stuff that the Redhead box is. I'll put a link in the description. But the install is pretty straightforward. It's a little time consuming, but it's really just taking bolts off and putting them back on. The hardest part's making sure that the wheels are straight and the gearbox is straight and the steering wheel is straight all at the same time. But you can play around with that a little bit. All right, guys, truck's off. Look how much plays in that steering wheel. For a lifted truck that's 13 years old, that's not bad at all. I mean, there's always going to be a little slop in the gear. There's always going to be, there's so many components that go into this, but so much better. I could not be happier with this. Hope y'all enjoyed this upload about Dodge steering. It's not always the most exciting stuff, but it's stuff that people need to know, especially Dodge owners, unfortunately. But every vehicle's got its issues, I've learned that in my few years that I've been driving. So Guys, please drop a comment down below with any questions. Hit that like button, hit that bell with the subscribe button so that you know when I post videos and you're subscribed for the weekly content to come. I hope y'all have a blessed day, a blessed Sunday, a blessed week to come, and take care. We'll see you.